Want to know why to grow your YouTube subscribers? Well, you're in the right place. This video is your one-stop guide to unlocking the secrets of subscriber growth. We'll be exploring a variety of effective methods, each one broken down into clear, manageable steps that you can start implementing today. We'll delve into understanding your audience better, because knowing who you're speaking to is the first step to getting them to listen. We'll also discuss creating quality content that's not just entertaining, but engaging and share-worthy, and that's not all. We'll guide you through optimizing your channel, making it more appealing and easier to find. We'll also share tips on how to engage with your audience in a way that builds strong, lasting connections. And lastly, we'll talk about promoting your channel, because sometimes you need to go out and get your audience. Are you ready to boost your YouTube subscribers? Let's dive in. Scene script. First things first, you need to know your audience. Understanding your audience is like having a compass in the vast ocean of content creation. It gives you direction and helps you navigate your content towards success. But how do we get to know our audience? Well, it's a bit like detective work. Start by researching who your viewers are. Look at their age groups, geographical locations, gender, and other demographic factors. This basic information can be found in the analytics section of your YouTube dashboard. Why is this important, you ask? Well, knowing who watches your content helps you tailor it to suit their preferences. Next, identify their interests and hobbies. Are they into gaming, fashion, fitness, cooking, or a mix of everything? This information can be gleaned from the kind of comments they leave, the other channels they subscribe to, and the videos they like. Now, let's talk about behavior. When do they usually watch your videos? What's their average watch time? Do they binge watch, or do they prefer shorter content? This insight can be crucial in determining the optimal length of your videos and the best time to publish them. Understanding your audience also means recognizing their language and communication style. If your audience uses a lot of slang or memes, incorporating that into your content can make it more relatable. But remember, authenticity is key. Don't try to force a style that doesn't come naturally to you. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to put it into action. Use these insights to create content that resonates with your audience. If your viewers are into fitness, consider making workout tutorials. If they're young and love memes, why not create a funny reaction video? The possibilities are endless, but remember, knowing your audience is not a one-time task. People's interests and behaviors change over time. So keep an eye on your analytics, pay attention to the comments, and be ready to adapt your content strategy accordingly. Remember, understanding your audience is the first step towards growing your subscribers. Now that you know your audience, it's time to create content that they'll love. Quality content is the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel. It's the reason why people click on your videos, and more importantly, why they keep coming back for more. But what does quality content actually mean? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but it essentially boils down to this: content that is engaging, unique, and valuable to your audience. Creating engaging content is all about capturing your audience's attention and keeping it. This could be by making them laugh, teaching them something new, or simply telling a compelling story. The key is to create a strong, emotional connection with your viewers. When people are emotionally invested, they're more likely to watch your content from start to finish, share it with others, and eagerly anticipate your next upload. Creating unique content means offering something that your viewers can't get anywhere else. This could be your unique perspective on a popular topic, your distinct style or approach, or even your personality. Whatever it is, it's crucial to differentiate yourself from the sea of content creators out there. Remember, people come to YouTube for a variety of reasons, but they stay for the content creators who offer something different. Creating valuable content means providing something of worth to your audience. This could be in the form of entertainment, information, or inspiration. Whatever form it takes, your content should always deliver value. If viewers feel they've gained something from watching your video, they're more likely to subscribe to your channel and watch future videos. Consistency is also a crucial aspect of content creation. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to post new content every day, but you should strive to maintain a regular posting schedule. Consistency not only helps to keep your current subscribers engaged, but it also signals to potential new subscribers that your channel is active and worth subscribing to. So as you embark on your YouTube journey, remember this: quality content is not just about high production values or perfect editing. It's about creating engaging, unique, and valuable content on a consistent basis. Quality content is the key to attracting and retaining subscribers. You've got great content, but how do you get people to find it? By optimizing your channel. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of optimization. It's all about making your channel more discoverable. And how do you do this? By leveraging the power of SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is a powerful tool that can boost your channel's visibility. But how does it work? Well, when someone types a keyword into a search bar, the search engine looks for content that matches that keyword. If your channel or videos have those keywords, they're more likely to show up in the search results. Let's start with your channel description. This is your chance to tell potential subscribers what your channel is about. Make sure to use relevant keywords that describe your content. But remember, don't just stuff it with keywords, make it readable and engaging. Next, let's move on to video titles. Your titles should be clear, concise, and include keywords that reflect the content of your video. Think of your title as a mini summary of your video. It should give viewers a clear idea of what they're about to watch. Then we have tags. Tags are words or phrases that describe your video's content. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and can help your video appear in relevant search results. So, choose your tags wisely. Make sure they're relevant to your video and try to include both general and specific tags. Finally, we have thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they come across your video. A compelling thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. So make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching and accurately represents your video's content. And there you have it. Optimizing your channel isn't rocket science. It's about making your channel and videos more discoverable. By using relevant keywords in your description, titles, tags, and creating compelling thumbnails. Remember, the more visible your channel is, the more likely it is to attract subscribers. Optimizing your channel increases its visibility and helps attract more subscribers. Engagement is the secret sauce of subscriber growth. But why is it important, you may ask? Well, think of it this way. If you were at a party, would you rather interact with the person who's actively engaging with you or the one who's just standing in a corner? Your audience is no different. The more you interact with them, the more they feel valued and connected to your channel, making them more likely to become loyal subscribers. Now, how do you engage with your audience? The simplest way is by interacting with them through comments. Respond to their queries, appreciate their compliments, and acknowledge their suggestions. This creates a sense of community among your viewers and makes them feel heard. Another great way to engage is by liking and sharing your viewers' comments. This not only makes them feel important, but also encourages others to participate in the discussion. It's like a snowball effect. One comment leads to another, and before you know it, you have a thriving community of engaged viewers. But engagement doesn't stop at comments, likes, and shares. You can take it a step further by hosting giveaways or contests. Who doesn't love free stuff, right? Giveaways not only attract more viewers, but also encourage them to engage with your content. Similarly, contests can be a fun way to boost engagement. Ask your viewers to create something related to your content, maybe a fan art or a meme, and give prizes to the best entries. This not only boosts engagement, but also generates user-generated content, which can further promote your channel. Lastly, consider hosting Q&A sessions. This gives your viewers a chance to know more about you and your content, making them feel more connected to your channel. Plus, it's a great way to address common queries and misconceptions about your content. Remember, engaging with your audience is not just about growing your subscriber count, it's about building a community of loyal viewers who appreciate your content and look forward to your uploads. Engaging with your audience not only builds a community, but also encourages viewers to subscribe. The final step to growing your subscribers: promoting your channel. This is the golden ticket to extending your reach beyond the confines of YouTube. So, how do you do it? Cross-promotion is a fantastic way to start. Sharing your videos on other social media platforms can help you tap into new audiences. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they all have potential viewers waiting to discover your content. But don't stop there. Collaborations can be a game changer. Teaming up with other YouTubers can introduce your channel to their followers, and vice versa. It's a win-win situation. And let's not forget about shoutouts. They might seem small, but a mention from a popular influencer can send a wave of new subscribers your way. Remember, every platform, every collaboration, every shout-out offers an opportunity to reach more people. Promotion is the final piece of the puzzle that can significantly boost your subscriber count.